Students, let us see today various quantities we can measure using this multimeter. First of all, we are having DC power supply and we are going to measure how much voltage this battery has. So for that we have connected this multimeter in a proper way, and to measure the voltage of this DC battery we are going to put our indicator on 20 volt, because as we know it very well from the battery specification, battery is showing us 9 volt, and let us see what your multimeter tells. So positive terminal of my battery is with the positive and negative terminal of my battery is with negative. I have to connect in that way, and we can see here the display shows us 9 volt battery. So the battery measurement we have done in terms of voltage. Yes, now for current measurement we have mounted a circuit components in a way that we can see the LED light which will show us glow, and as well as it shows current over here in the multimeter display. So for that we have connected fixed resistor, then LED, they are in series. Then we have connected this current meter just to see the current measurement. So I'm connecting this battery positive to resistor. Yes, now you can see LED has started giving us output light, and as well as you can see the current 3.54 milliampere current is flowing through the circuit. So this is how we can measure current, and we have chosen the appropriate range for current. Okay, so how I have chosen the range, let us see that the maximum appropriate available for us, that is 200 milliampere. This is very high, so we are not going to consider this 10 ampere current range. So for us this 200 milliampere range is sufficient. Fine. First of all, I have connected it and I have chosen the range. First of all, we have chosen the range 200 milliampere, and you can see the display that it shows 3.8 milliampere. This is the maximum current flowing in the circuit. So we can a step go down, that is 20 milliampere. We know it very well, 3.8 milliampere will definitely show us the value in 20 milliampere. This is how we can get the precise result. So for that we have to always start from higher to lower when you are interested to measure current, when you are interested in current measurement, right? So this is the precise result, 3.77 milliampere current flows in a given circuit. Let us see the resistance measurement of a given carbon color code fixed resistor. Fine. So you can observe that the color band is given on the resistor: brown, black and yellow, and the last one is for tolerance. So as per theoretical value we are having 10 into 10 to the power 4. Now let us see, are we getting the same value through multimeter? Let us see it now. So theoretical value of this is 100 kilo ohm. Okay. So for that, once you get theoretical value, then you can easily choose the range. Here I have chosen the range 200 kilo ohm. And you can see that 99 kilo ohm we are getting through multimeter. So it is almost near to the value we got through theoretical, that B.B. Roy Go to Bombay had a beautiful wife table.